Hello everyone, this is Isra Jahan, front-end developer and GHL expert SG Innovation LLC. So today we are going to learn how to create a calendar, how to customize it, and of course we need to customization of the calendar to link up it with our workflow and our website, our forms, etc. So if we go to create a new calendar, what we can see here a round robin booking and also a unassigned booking. They are basically the type of calendar, which type of calendar you want to for yourself. And whenever you have two or three team members and you want to get them equal amount of appointment, so they you will choose that round robin booking. And whenever you want, like your team members, whoever is free, whoever is available to take an appointment, that time he can pick an appointment. So this type of calendar, if you want to, then you'll choose the unassigned booking. We are going for round robin booking to explore it. Okay, so you can see you can add user from here, and you can prioritize them. What will be his priority? Like if he is in high priority, so any of the appointment comes here, he will get first. Then if another one is low priority, then first he will get an appointment, and then it will go there for this team member. So that's how you can prioritize them. Then you can add here a meeting location, like that Zoom location, Meet location. You can put any of them. You can also connect a Zoom account from here, so it will directly catch your Zoom account's link. So you no need to be bothered about that. And then you have to give a name. Okay, then if you want to give a description, then you can also do this. So here you can see, so I have put it my name, so as test is not gonna be taken. So I can choose neo, or you can choose classic also, whatever you want, just a style difference, nothing else. You can choose your preference color here. So I'm keeping is at as it is. So here you can do a lot of customization as you want, like slot duration, what time, what will be your slot duration, which time. So then slot interval which you want to select, then buffer duration, appointment per slot. Basically everyone keep it one, but you can customize it as you want. So appointment per day, then minimum scheduling notice, so you can put this also here. And you can change your preferred time also, office hour also, according your office hour, yeah, according your business hour. So I am keeping is as it is. And also you can choose a form from here. Okay, so you can make a custom form, and which you can also integrate to this here. So I'm just adding this one. Okay, so then notification and additional information. So if you want, whenever anyone book an appointment, that time you want to send an acknowledge email to assigned user to any contact, or you want to give an email, you can choose there. Okay, so you can put here additional notes also, and also you can put some custom coding also here, how you want to look like your calendar is. So you can customize from here also, you can see custom coding. So and also here is a section what will your after that appointment booking. Okay, so after the form submission, that form you have seen here, that form. Okay, so if you want to uh, redirect in any URL, or if you want to uh, give it a just custom like thank you message, right? So you can put here. So then let's complete it. So you can see it's here, we have created this. So sorry about that. Okay, we have to copy schedule link. So you can see that's our calendar, and you can choose any date anytime from here. And also you need to remember one thing, you have to choose your time zone, right? Otherwise um, it will be a mismatch of time zone. So you will have to choose this, and now you will have to fill this form out. And okay, then you can see your meeting has been scheduled. So pretty simple and easy to customize your calendar. So let me know in the comment section if you liked the video, and if you liked it, please like it, subscribe our channel, and share it. Thank you.